Others have denied engaging in the practice. According to some commercial banks, the exporters on the average bring in about $100 million every week into the banking system. But the governor of Bank of Ghana, Dr. Kofi Wampa, has denied that situation has come about because of recent first measures introduced. Meanwhile, the Association of Ghana Industries has denied recent reports that exporters have been making some huge profits because of the cedi's depreciation. The AGI says their research shows that exporters are rather losing.